Today we are talking about birth plan. So what is a birth plan? A birth plan is when you decide how you want your delivery to be conducted, and you specifically write upon a piece of paper what are the choices related to your delivery and after the birth of your child, and you prepare this document and choose what kind of delivery you want, whether you want an elective C-section, and if what are the conditions which can be involved, and what are the steps you need to take, and what are the decisions you will be taking, like if you want to go for an epidural or not. And these kind of things you specifically write on a paper and put it where do you want to put. So the best thing is to put it into your delivery bag in the first pocket, where you can easily access when you're not in state to take the decisions for yourself. So you can just ask your member, the birth partner, to take the decision.